It's easy to think that SPIs are just about monitoring dangerous behavior. Okay, an SPI monitors when the vehicle does something that's obviously wrong. But SPIs go beyond that. Acts dangerously is only one dimension. Sure, go ahead, look at the violation rate of pedestrian buffer zones. Passing too close to a pedestrian is a problem. Failing to stop at a stop sign is clearly a problem. Look at how often you're closer than you should be to the following distance of a vehicle in front of you. Those are sort of obvious ones. However, there are also components that need to meet their safety-related requirements. There may be a false negative or positive detection rate criteria on a certain set of sensors, and you need to be as good as you think you are, or else your safety case no longer makes sense. There's very likely to be a limit on correlated multi-sensor failure rates, and that may be very difficult to measure during design. You really want to know if you say, well, I'll detect people because I have 3 different sensor types, and then there's some sorts of clothing articles that make it so that none of the 3 sensors detect that person. That's going to be a problem, and you really need to know about that. And you need the feedback from SPIs to tell you what happened before you have a collision with a pedestrian. There are also design and life cycle considerations. You need to know whether your design process has a quality issue. You need to know whether your maintenance and inspections are being done on time and with sufficient quality. In short, if it's relevant to safety, it should be in your safety case. And if it's a claim in your safety case, to the maximum degree you can, you should be figuring out how to measure it and use that measurement as an SPI.